everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen Ahmed. Everyone loves a chili cheese sandwich, but a chili cheese dhokla, this takes it to a whole other level. And not just that, I'm making this dhokla in my Instant Pot. Today on Cravings Food Adventures, I'm going to show you how to make dhokla really easy right in your Instant Pot. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started.
This dhokla is super easy to make. I have 2 cups of semolina here. If you don't know what semolina is, it's a coarse, purified wheat middling of durum wheat, and it's mainly used in the making of pasta and couscous. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and I'm going to follow this with 2 cups of beaten natural yogurt. Mix this well so the semolina absorbs all of the moisture from the yogurt. Next, I'm going to add a half cup of water just to make the batter a little bit thinner in consistency. I'm going to be using Eno or fruit salt just before steaming this dhokla, and this is the magic ingredient that's going to aerate the dhokla and make it super spongy. You can find Eno at any pharmacy. As the batter sits, it thickens up, so I'm going to add another half cup of water to get it going again. Now you have to move fast. Add 3 teaspoons or 10 grams of Eno fruit salt and quickly work this into the batter. This is the consistency you're looking for. Not too thick, not too runny. My pan is ready. Because I'm using my Instant Pot, I'm going to be using a cake pan that I know fits perfectly. I've lined the bottom with parchment paper. I'm going to take half of this and pour it into my cake pan and spread it. Working really quickly, I'm going to cover it with a layer of cheddar cheese. This is about a cup of cheddar cheese. And I'm going to follow this with 1 tablespoon or so of chopped fresh green chili. You can adjust these two according to your taste. Cover with the remaining batter and spread. I'm going to add a cup of water into my Instant Pot. I'm going to lower the cake pan into the pot. I'm going to seal it and make sure to set this to sealing mode. Next, I'm going to set my timer to pressure cook or manual for 15 minutes. The pressure will start to build and the valve will rise when it's built pressure, and then the countdown will begin. Once done, I'm going to throw a towel over my pot just to protect my camera from the steam, and I'm going to allow this steam to escape naturally. Once done, I'm greeted with a barrage of steam and voila, instant steamed dhokla. While it cools, I'm just going to make a simple tadka. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to a pan and I'm going to allow this to heat up. If you don't like mustard oil, you can just use regular oil. I'm also going to add about 4 regular dried chilies and a half teaspoon each of black mustard seeds and cumin seeds. I'm also going to add 10 to 15 curry leaves and I'm going to allow this to infuse in the oil. Release the dhokla from the sides by running a knife and I'm going to flip it over. I'm removing the bottom and now I'm going to pull off the parchment paper to reveal this gorgeous dhokla. You can see the large air bubbles in this that make it light and fluffy. I'm going to cut this in one direction and again in the other direction. I'm now going to pour the tadka over this and I'm going to allow that fragrant oil to drip right between the crevices as well. This is now ready to devour.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for chili cheese dhokla. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure to share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And also, follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care.